Nuclear power plants do not generate greenhouse gases while operating. Therefore, they contribute to combating climate change. 2. Skittles were introduced in Great Britain for the first time in the 1970s by Jack Candies, a British distributor for Mars Incorporated. 3. Subway has around 37,000 restaurants in over 100 countries, serving millions of customers daily. 4. Microsoft stated at one point that Windows 10 will be the last Windows version, suggesting that there will be no Windows 11. 5. Neurons communicate through synapses. The electrical impulses are transformed into chemical signals at synapses and are turned back into electrical signals for the next neuron. 6. Salt is crucial to human life. Although it's usually associated with health problems when it's consumed excessively, salt plays a pivotal role in our bodies. 7. In the 90s, Larry Page and Sergey Brin built the first servers of the Google search engine with ordinary computer parts. 8. The name Vodafone is an acronym derived from Voice Data Phone, reflecting the strategy of the company to offer voice and data services through mobile phones. 9. The first modern air conditioner was invented in 1902 by Willis Carrier, but not for the comfort of people. It was for industrial use. 10. An AMD processor, launched in 1999, was the first desktop processor to reach a clock speed of 1 GHz. 11. The first electrodynamic cone loudspeaker, similar to those of today, was invented in 1925 by Edward W. Kellogg and Chester W. Rice. 12. The first CD burners were launched by companies like Sony, Philips, and Yamaha in the early 1990s. 13. The first all-in-one VHS-C portable camcorder, the JVC GRC-1, was launched in 1984. That camcorder was featured in the 1985 movie Back to the Future. 14. In 1963, Philips released the compact cassette, a revolutionary audio recording format that made portable music accessible to the masses. 15. The first programmable pocket computer was the HP 65, released by Hewlett-Packard in 1974. It was capable of executing programs stored on small magnetic cards. 16. The drone was initially developed for military use, but it now has a wide range of civil applications. 17. The first modern e-reader, called Rocket eBook, was released by Nuvo Media in 1998, and it could store up to 10 books. 18. Fiber optic, widely used for high-speed internet, transmits data in the form of light pulses. A single fiber optic cable can transmit a massive amount of data. 19. The first smartphone from the Galaxy S series of Samsung was announced in March 2010, and it was one of the first serious competitors to the iPhone on the global market. 20. Every smartphone contains a small amount of gold, approximately 0.034 grams, used for its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion.